The video when I do for Iyabo Ojo daughter, I see so many comments. My people, this one loud. Some say be the reason why Iyabo Ojo daughter dey important, because when me talk say na Kokobiri the guy be. Some say the Kokobiri wey the guy be now, he get money, and Iyabo Ojo no fit born for am first. He fit marry am first. So the ones wey many women dey born for Europe here, dem dey first born for them. That make the men no dey marry them. That make the men no dey know their value. So the men after the women go don see born for them finish, they go come still go their country, still go marry their tribe person. So wetin come make una believe say this one wey Iyabo Ojo daughter marry now, e no still marry another person tomorrow? Anyway, we will not pray for that. I'm so happy for her. So I just want to tell people say e no different for Kokobiri. As far as say he's not from Nigeria, and Kokobiri na it still be too. So we will not dey bias, you understand? Na Kokobiri na it still be. All na Kokobiri, all na the same. So we will not dey sugar quote am like say no be Kokobiri, na Kokobiri na it still be. I see so many comments on TikTok say not be yeye Kokobiri, na Kokobiri wey get money, na celebrity Kokobiri, you know. Anyway, oh, no problem, but no different of Kokobiri. Na Kokobiri na all be, na the same Kokobiri na all of them be. So we will not dey change am, my people. We will not change am. Iyabo Ojo daughter, I'm so happy for you. I just want to tell people say Kokobiri is Kokobiri. We will not dey bias. All na Kokobiri.